In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is sign into your broker. Now, of course, to sign into your broker, you want to go to File, top left, and then open an account, and of course, you can find it from here. I do have more in-depth tutorials on how to basically connect your broker on my channel, so you can go watch those first in case you are interested. Of course, you want to make sure your broker actually supports stocks, because if it doesn't, you won't be able to find them over here inside your market watch or inside symbols either. Okay, so what you then want to do is basically open up the market watch. So when you've connected it to a broker which supports trading stocks, so buying and selling stocks, you want to go to view, and then you want to enable market watch. If it's not there, you can just press Ctrl+M on your keyboard and it's going to show. Then from here you want to press Ctrl and U on your keyboard, so Ctrl U, and it's going to pop up this thing called symbols. In here, you want to go and find stocks. So for me, they're inside NASDAQ and stock over here. There's a bunch of different ones, or you could just go ahead and search for them up here. So if I look for Tesla, for example, there we go. As you can see, it's over here. I can click and then show symbol, and that's going to add it over here. I could also go for example, Apple. There we go. I can click on it, click on show, and there we go. You could search them by symbols or by descriptions as well. So for example, if I type in NVIDIA, there we go. It's going to find it by name, or I could also type NVDA, and it would find it as well. Okay. Whenever you show them, you want to find them over here on the left. I'm going to go with Tesla right now. I'm going to right click and click on chart window. That's going to pop up the chart for that specific stock, just like you can see over here. There we go, it's loaded in. And then you can go ahead and start buying them by either right-clicking on the chart, and then over here you can see there's going to be the option to basically trade by hovering over trading and click on new order, and you can buy from here. You could press new order up top. You could go and right-click on it over here on the left, and you can basically, whenever you right-click, you can click on new order, or you could press F9 on your keyboard, and that's going to open up this window as well. So you want to get to this window, and then from here you can select your order type, make sure symbol is the stock you're trying to buy, then select your volume. You can add a stop loss and take profit if you want to, that's optional, and then you can set your policy and a comment if you want to add it as well. Then click on the buy button at the bottom, and that's all you have to do. It's basically going to buy that specific stock. Now, of course, you can go and, if I click on new order up top, sell as well if you want to, but that's essentially all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.